right? Which you feel they will be interested to have a good India or good Bharat for their children, right? Then you have to talk to them.
Okay.
Right, and then
Yes.
Depending upon whether they want to remain behind the curtain, so they will become the member, and if they want to become the Chandragupta, then they have to conduct 2 meetings also. And while they are taking the pledge of the Chandragupta, we have to make it doubly or triply sure they should not compromise with their original job, which is meant for feeding their own stomach and stomach of their family.
Yes, yes.
Right? So this is the whole concept. If we sincerely do it for 10 days, I promise on 10th day, Honourable Prime Minister will fall in line, and he will, because it is in the interest of the country, I am very sure we will be in position to strengthen Honourable Prime Minister Narendra Modi to win him 543 seats.
Yes. Definitely.
Correct? Because we will be climbing and we will be taking a pledge कि हम आपको जिताएंगे, और यदि माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी नहीं जागे तो हमारे जो चंद्रगुप्त हैं उनको ही हम टिकट दे देंगे और उनको जिता देंगे. We will replace Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Yes, yes, yes.
So first we would like, because he is the person, if he come and agree in the best interest of the country about the 21 objective and Crime Free Bharat Mission, then he is the best person.
Yes, sir.
And he can even promise tomorrow that in 2025 I will bring down the taxation to the 50%. In 26 जो है ना, it will be brought down to 25%.
Okay.
In 27 it will be brought down to 10%. In 28 it will be brought down to the 5%. And in 2029 it will be brought down to 0. Now, at present, they are having Ladli Behna Yojana, that is lovely sister or lovable sister, whatever the translation is, right? So, I am saying, why Ladli Behna alone? Let there be Ladala Bhai also, right? Both of them, instead of getting 1,000, they will get 10,000 each, right? We will give them the training and we will give them the work also. Not only the training, we will give them the implement also, we will give them the vehicle. And they will be assigned what work to be done, and we will ensure their income should go much beyond 10,000. It will be then soon will be reaching within 2 years to the 25,000, right? And later on there will be not only Ladli Behna, Ladli Bhai, there will be Ladli Baap, Ladala Baap or Ladli Ma also. And each one of them will be earning 25,000 a day. Sorry, 25,000 a month, right? And so all 4 put together will be earning 1 lakh rupees, right?
Yes.
By then we will be having the full control on the ecosystem, right?
Yes.
So in our ecosystem we will give them the 50% rebate. So their purchasing power will be pushed into the 2 lakh rupees per month per family.
Definitely.
Right?
Okay,
and since we know that it is going to happen, our infrastructure architect will reach and will say, sir, you are going to earn this much. Would you like to select the site for your house? These are the models. Please select one of them. And then he will capture your personal preferences, how big windows you want, what should be the height of your row, where you would like to sip coffee or tea with your spouse. Now, you will be getting 2 lakh rupees worth of purchasing power in 2029. But your house will be ready by 2006 and 26 and 27 only. You will be shifted to your house. Your payment will come afterward. What's the problem? What is the impact on the employment? What is the impact on the wealth? What is the impact on the ecosystem? We will be free from the cancer. We will be free from everything. And government will be getting the 20 times more money. So infrastructure development will get the 20 times more boost. There will not be even a single road जो कि tar नहीं होगी.
Yes.
And there will be some composite kind of the development. What a different India we will be having within 5 years.
Yes, which is even unimaginable. But can be definitely succeeded.
So Honourable Prime Minister must agree to it.
Yes.
If he failed to appreciate, then we are having no other option to but get him defeated.
Yes.
But we would like to give the first opportunity and chance to him only, because
Yes.
he is the sitting person. At present, the people are having the faith in him. If
Yes,
he will be talking in our language, it will be immediately believed, and we will bring the laws in consonance with the other person.
Yes.
So that can be done even before this election. People will start having a feel just right now.
Yes.
And by 29, this country will be a transformed country.
Yes.
We will become the biggest research and development and the Vishwaguru by 2029.
Yes, absolutely. We'll do that, sir. Definitely.
So, Shilpa ji, I will be sharing my last discussion with a Kamlesh Sahai Jha, and it is having all links. So, I will request you to kindly click each link. First link is about the download app. Second link is about the Crime Free Bharat Mission YouTube link. So, subscribe it. Third link is about the Telegram. So I will request you, if you are not using the Telegram, it's just like WhatsApp.
No, I'm using.
Right. So then you can just click on that Telegram app and become the partner of the main Crime Free Bharat group.
Yes, definitely.
Then I request that you create your own group. Keep the name Crime Free Bharat, even Silpa group. I have no idea, right?
Yes.
And you add me in that, and you add whosoever is being added by you, so that we will be in position to know whatever is happening in your group. And Telegram permits the 2 lakh members in a group. 2 lakh, right? So when you are completing 2 lakh, then you can go for the second group. So within with that, you will be reaching to the 10 lakhs in 5 groups only.
Yes.
And one person cannot have more than this. Right?
Yes.
So within no time, within 9 days, we can very easily reach out and become 100 crores. It's absolutely doable. Now put our full might to make it happen. And we do not want any organization to change their course. They should continue whatever they are doing. The only thing, they have to join us, and they have to make the people ask these 3 questions and ask them to join as a member or as a Chandraguru. That's all.
Sure.
And there are 4,900 videos which are saying how this country will be transformed.
Yes.
So everything is on record, and people can hear in my voice, right? And if you feel that because majority of the videos they are in Hindi language, so you can have the discussion with me, or your team can have the discussion with me.
Definitely. Once we will have with the Zoom, I'll send the Zoom link to many, and since our members will join, so we can have you on board, and definitely these things can be listed out there, and we can have a good discussion.
Great. So don't miss out in all the groups and organizations you are knowing. Because if we will make them the part of it and tell them that we do not want their group to lose their identity. So we would like that they should create a parallel group. Apna naam, say whatever the name they are having, for Crime Free Bharat.
Okay.
This will be having one very great added advantage, because the moment you do something, at least one or 2 nasty people will say, this group was meant for the different purpose and you are not doing the intended work. So we are saying that we will create a parallel group of your own.
Yes.
If you are very busy, nominate somebody else as Adhyaksh. He can nominate 2 vice president, and in turn 4 assistant vice president and 8 executive members, right? So it will be the parallel group of their own organization. And nobody will be in position to say question that you are deviating from your original mandate.
Yes.
If anybody is having the disagreement, please don't join.
Yes, absolutely. See, this is for their own good being, for their own well-being of their family members and others in the society. So we are doing
what we are saying, let's try into the 3 parts. Number 1, the good individuals list should be made first. Secondly, which we said that add your own members, your relatives, your friends, your neighbors, like that, right? That's the second part. Third part is really targeting the organizations and request them to create their parallel organization for Crime Free Bharat. And this Crime Free Bharat, their own organization, will be helping them in their original work also.
Yes, definitely.
Right. So I hope I could.
Yes, very clear, wonderful. It's one of the, I think, utmost thing. The projects, the initiatives what you have come up is excellent. Is beyond even imagination, Sarji. And this is the only way where we can,
Shilpaji, Shilpaji, I don't speak without recorded. By tomorrow, our conversation will be live on the Crime Free Bharat channel.
Sure.
So even you can share our communication.
Yes, definitely.
So because basically what I briefed you and how you reacted and what we transpired and all those things. So people will learn directly because when you will be telling them, lot many things will be missing.
Yes.
So
right. Absolutely.
This will be a very smart way of really making a change.
Yes.
Okay. So should we close this conversation as of now?
Yes.
Okay. So with a great thanks because we are talking. Do you know we are conversing for 56 minutes and 49 seconds?
Oh my goodness! It's my honor to be talking to you, and thanks for giving your valuable time. Thank you very much, Sarji. So we will take it forward. Yes.
Right, Shilpaji. I will really beg it to happen with my folded hand.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Great day.
Thank you.